Some of the most important taxes are that of the income tax, the wage withholding tax, the value-added tax and the corporate tax. Income tax. The Netherlands has a partly progressive tax rate. In the past, the highest income bracket in the Netherlands was 72%, but in 1990 it was changed to 60%, and in 2001 it became 52%. The brackets in 2014 are 2.35%, 10.85%, 42%, and 52%. The first two brackets also contain the Social Security payments, resulting in effective tax plus social insurance rates of 33.5%, 42% and 52% for taxpayers below retirement age. Value-added tax. For the value-added tax there are three categories: foods and essentials, non-foods and luxuries, and special goods. These three categories have rates of 6%, 21%, and 0%, respectively. The non-foods and luxuries percentage was increased from 19% to 21% on October 1, 2012. The special goods cover goods that are exported, goods that haven't been introduced yet, catch of fish, excised goods, international transport of people. Corporate tax. 20.0% for the first to 275,000 and above, that a corporate tax rate of 25.5%, 20.0% for the first to 200,000. Property tax. Property tax or land value tax is claimed annually by municipalities. A fraction of the value of real estate is defined as onroerendisokbelasting. The money collected from the real estate owners in its area can be used by the municipality to maintain the infrastructure. The real estate values are estimated independently and updated annually. Taxation varies dramatically over different regions and municipalities. In addition to the property tax itself, there is a complicated additional taxation system for different infrastructural support systems, water level management, water cleaning, waste management, etc. Gambling tax. No taxes are applied when the sum won is a 454 or less, or when the entry fee is higher than the prize won. If the prize is higher than a 454, a tax rate of 29% is applicable. However, if the host pays the taxes, the sum is multiplied by 100 and then divided by 71, and 29% of that amount is taken as tax. Inheritance tax. The inheritance tax charges beneficiaries of an inheritance. Wealth tax. Possessions like savings, shares, houses that are not the primary living, etc. over a 21,139 are assumed to have an annual 4% yield, which is taxed at 30%, regardless of the actual annual yield achieved. Consumer goods like cars and furniture, that are not held as an investment, are excluded. An Aston Martin DB5 can, for example, in some cases be taxed, as an ordinary family car will not be. Gift tax. The gift tax charges the beneficiary of a gift. See also, Algemeen Nutbeheerinstelling, corporate tax in the Netherlands, income tax in the Netherlands. Notes and references. 2014 tax brackets, http www.belastingdienst/NL-WCMBLDCONTENTNLZAKE Lijterieven Goda and Met 0 BTW, http www.belastingdienst/NL-WCMBLDCONTENTNLZAKE Lijterieven Ensen Met 0 BTW. External links: Dutch Tax and Customs Administration.